Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dear ladies and gentlemen, thank you for the opportunity given to me to present our paper. Let me introduce myself. My name is Krishna Anggadwita. I'm one of the co-authors of this paper. I'm from Telkom University, Bandung, Indonesia. Currently, I would like to present our paper with the title Garut Mountain Business Tourism Mapping based on multidimensional scaling. This is the full authors of this paper. The first, Dini Turipanam Alamanda from Garut University. The second, Krishna Anggadwita from Telkom University. Wati Susilawati and Tati Purwati from Garut University. Okay, I will start to present this paper. For some people, mountain climbing is an interesting activity to refresh mind, and even it becomes a hobby for many people and an achievement to be proud of. Garut is an area in West Java which is known as a tourist destination. Garut is one of the regions in Indonesia which has many mountains, and four of them are very popular for climbing. We can look at in the figures. There are four popular mountains in Garut, including Mount Cikuray, Mount Papandayan, Mount Guntur, and Mount Talaga Bodas. The challenge of Mount tourism for visitors are the required trip time, which is around 1 until 2 days, and required information to decide which mountain to be visited, which is suit their perception. So, the objective of this study is to design a perception map that can identify the climbers' perceptions of Garut mountain tourism. We conducted a literature review related to this research. Some of the theories we use include tourist perceptions, which are defined as the emotional attachment of tourists to destinations which positively affect their perceptions and reactions toward tourism destinations. This is from Zhu et al. 2019. Perception mapping is a graphical technique used by brand marketers to visually show the perception of customer or potential customer of a product category from Batang and Delara 2016, and individual perception and preference of which are closely related to positioning. And positioning is carried out by marketers in an effort to influence consumer perception of brands or products that are relatively competitive, which is determined by the consumer's perspective on quality, attributes, values, price, and their image or product. This is from Panwar and Patra 2017. The methodology of this paper used a quantitative research with a descriptive explanation level. In determining the preference attributes, we conducted an interview with several informants, and based on the result of interviews, there are 14 preference attributes, namely fresh air, unique places, beautiful nature, clean environment, interesting photo spot, correct navigation, complete facilities, water source, smartphone signal, affordable price, trekking activity, family travel, camping, road access, alertness, and transportation. To confirm all the preference attributes, a total of 100 questionnaires were distributed to respondents using non-probability sampling, namely purposive sampling method. This is the result of this study. The collected data were analyzed using a preference mapping with an internal preference mapping type. This method is based on the multidimensional data preference analysis and principal component analysis performed on preference data with product in rows, observation, and customers in columns, variables. The data were rating given by the customers for each product. Preference mapping is B-plot consisting of two dimensions, observation and variables. In MDS, the value of closeness between object 1 and 2 of the input data are converted to multidimensional distance of a Euclidean field, where the distance between objects was calculated using the Euclidean distance measure. Based on the table, it can be seen that Mount Papandayan dominates the small score on each attribute. For example, fresh air, unique place, beautiful nature, clean environment, interesting photo spot, correct navigation, complete facilities, water source, trekking activity, family travel, road access, and transportation. Based on the coordinate of the points presented in the table, the perception mapping obtained is shown in the figure. The perception mapping of this study uses two dimensions which show the similarity and dissimilarity between one object and another based on the distance. Based on the principle of the closer the Euclidean distance to the related object, the better the mountain object based on that attribute. Based on the figure, the position of Mount Papandayan is close to most of the attributes stated earlier. Mount Guntur has a higher position on camping, alertness, and affordable price attributes. Meanwhile, Mount Talaga Bodas and Mount Chikurai do not show a dominant advantage. The general position of the mountain based on the overall attributes can be seen in the table. Based on the result of this paper, the conclusion are Mount Papandayan has the highest attributes compared to others. The detailed positioning map shows that Mount Papandayan has the highest attributes of fresh air, unique places, beautiful nature, clean environment, interesting photo spot, correct navigation, complete facilities, water source, trekking activity, family travel, road access, alertness, and transportation. Meanwhile, the highest attributes of signal, most affordable price, camping, and alertness are possessed by Mount Guntur. Mount Chikurai gets the lowest position in the attributes of a clean environment, complete facilities, water source, signal, trekking, family tourism, alertness, and transportation. And the last, Mount Talaga Bodas gets the lowest position in the attributes of fresh air, unique place, clean environment, interesting photo spot, correct navigation, camping, and alertness. Recommendation based on the result of this study are: this research is limited to the type of mountain which is suitable for climbing. Meanwhile, Garut still has many other types of mountains, for example, based on the interest of tourists in visiting the mountain, such as religious tourist attraction, family tourist attraction, volcano, agricultural mountain, educational tourism mountain, nature reserve, etc. And the weakness of measuring perception using MDS or multidimensional analysis is that it is available in many dimensions. However, MDS can only be displayed in two dimensions. Future research can adopt the iconic game technique in interpreting multiple dimensions based on Goer et al. 2014. Okay, that's all of my presentations. Thank you very much.